Hello everybody. Welcome to Tech Fusion. This video is for AI generation enthusiasts who are having problem in getting free credit on StudioDid. First you have to download or install Opera browser. If not installed already, then open in private browser and turn on the Once turn on, then type tempmail in search bar and open the first link as the second or third link not working currently. Once turn on, then type tempmail in search bar and open the first link as the second or third link not working currently. After the link is open, an auto-generated email will be displayed. Copy it through clipboard icon on the right of it. As you can see just below it, there will be a section where you will get the verification mail. After copying it, in next tab search for StudioDid. In search bar click the second link and go to the login section of the site. As you have created no account, click the sign up button and paste the copied email into it. Then click enter and create a password that you can remember and sign in. Then go back to the tempmail site where you will receive an verification mail. Click on it and then click verify to be redirected to the StudioDid site. Remember, in the notepad keep your sign-in detail, which can be used to sign in from other web browser. Now click on detail required, and as you can see, after the process, credit 20 can be seen on the StudioDid website. Hope this will help everyone facing problem in getting credits. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more future video like this. Thank you.